Alright, what's up everyone? So we just got to the meet, the one meet I am hosting. It's a Halloween car meet. I'm going to be doing a contest for a costume contest at the end. We're kind of in the middle, and a trunk contest in the middle as well. And I'm too dark. But it starts at 7:30 and it's, I think, what, 7? It's 7 o'clock. We got a few cars, you know, and I'm 30 minutes early, so. But this is what we got done. Literally, everything flew off. And then we got the skeleton. And then we got the finger, and we got the caution tape, and then we got some chains, and then finger, and honestly that's it. That's all I did. I was gonna do blood, but I didn't want to do all the work and take it off, and especially put it on. So we're just gonna wait till the meet starts and then see if anybody's gonna enter the contest, and let's see. Let's go. Sheesh! I saw you guys pulling up together.
Pulling up deep. We got about like 9 cars with it.
What's up, bro?
We're good.
Your bright white wheels.
I know, right?
What's up, man? You can park on this lane if you want. There's a lot of parking. How many of you guys is it?
Like 15 maybe.
Sheesh, you're wet as fuck. Do it again.
It's way louder than I thought that
So please tell me, explain to me, what's in the car?
What's in the car?
Yeah, so what'd you put on?
That's my coat stains. Wait, am I supposed to say that?
Yeah, you're fine.
And then do not cross because all my soul's in there.
Okay.
I don't want it to be disturbed.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? There's like spiders on there. It's real.
Well, you just got disturbed by that, see? Damn. Oh, everyone's putting their alarms. Literally, everyone's putting their, what is it called again? Their alarms. Everyone's putting their alarms in. Alright guys, since this is the contest, this is the first trunk I'm looking at. Pretty spooky, because it's spooky season, so it's pretty cool. What do you think?
It's nice.
Nice. Alright. Get him that puts. Hello.
What's up, baby?
Good morning.
How you doing? Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's 7:32 a.m. right now. It is Wednesday, January 32nd. We're over here at Dave's Meat. Let's get this shit lit.
All right, bro. See you in a bit.
Oh.
up, everyone? So thank you guys so much for coming out to the meet. Those that are watching my videos and went to the meet, you know, it got pretty packed. Ooh, I got something on my camera. Ooh, I think it's good. But right now we better start off and finish off the vlog going to Albert's little hangout because he is shipping out in December. So we better go right now, and then I'm gonna film some cinematics for you guys, and that's where we're gonna end the vlog. So this vlog might go up Sunday, which is tomorrow, or Monday, depends when I'm done editing and everything, and I got other videos to edit for people. So yeah, let's go.